Have you ever seen a house that perfectly balances the charm of the past with the boldness of modern design? Welcome to Sofie House, a masterfully renovated home tucked into the lush green landscapes of Dilbeek, Belgium. Designed by a dedicated architecture firm, Madame Architectuur, and completed in 2022, Sofie House is a blending story of transformation, heritage, and architectural daring. At 240 square meters, this home had strong bones, but it needed both restoration and expansion to meet modern-day needs, all while respecting its soul. The architects faced a key challenge. How do you modernize without erasing history? Their answer? Preserve what's beautiful, add what's needed, respect what came before. From the elegant wooden floors to the window moldings and carved stair railings, every classic detail was lovingly preserved. But then, to bring in more natural light and views of the garden and surrounding fields, an extension was placed to the north, a strategic move that welcomes both morning and afternoon sun. Let's talk about this extension. It's not just a box tacked on, it's an experience. To link the old and new, a rounded arch was cut into the corner of the original house, a bold and delicate maneuver that required intense structural calculations. But the result? Breathtaking. The new space opens up to panoramic views, offering a seamless visual connection to the fields out front and the lush garden at the back. Now let's step outside to a feature that's both clever and poetic: the terrace. This isn't your standard patio. It circles the house like a gentle ribbon, connecting the extension and original structure. Raised to the same level as the living spaces, the terrace gives the house a floating effect, creating the illusion that it hovers gently above the landscape. One of the most unique decisions? Green pigmented polished concrete. It's used both inside and outside, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. This material creates visual flow, grounding the home in its green surroundings while adding a slick, contemporary vibe. Madame Architectuur didn't just blend materials, they crafted a dialogue between the past and the present. The original home retains its austere elegance, staying true to its roots. But the extension? It dares to stand out, with glazed green tiles that shimmer in daylight and glow subtly at dusk. Inside, the design favors a playful rhythm, a sequence of smaller, cozy rooms rather than a vast, open-plan layout. Each space has its own character, its own light, and its own view, making movement through the house feel like a quiet discovery. In a world full of cookie-cutter architecture, Sofie House stands apart. It honors memory. It embraces the future. It shows us that homes don't have to choose between comfort, creativity, and context. They can have it all. If you love this tour of Sofie House, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring architecture stories from around the world. Let us know in the comments. Which part of this house would you want to live in?